The rail is stressed, plates are fitted to make a joint and a 6 mm gap is left between the two rail ends. The steel rail expands and contracts due to variations in temperatures. The rail reaches a critical temperature before expansion occurs. Joints can be stiff through corrosion, old grease or the bolts being over-tightened. If the joint is stuck or too stiff, the track gauge will naturally widen. Recent independent laboratory testing undertaken by our rail clients has shown that their traditional greasing practices can in fact cause joints to be much stiffer than originally thought. Interflon Lube EP is able to penetrate into all the joints without the need to dismantle them, saving many months in maintenance time in some areas. It provides a long-term low-friction coating, improving the joint performance and reducing the friction as much as 91%.
Interflon. Think forward.